Alright, I'm out here at the Lake Road, Alabama State Route 277 crossing in Guntersville, and as you can see, there's been a change here. Because late last year, I'm going to get out of the way of this car. Late last year, a car, I believe it was actually a truck, plowed down the old signal here, and the relay case that was here, as you can see, there's the wire still sticking out of the ground where it was. So the ATN had to replace both of them. But the new signal here, as you can see, it's the new mast signal. We have a Westcon Hayes base. Right up there are some Westcon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs. And here's the back showing the Westcon Hayes. And the bell is the General Signals electronic bell, which I suspect is a GS Type 3. More than likely reused from the old signal, since the maintainer did say he was going to try to reuse what he could. And looking down over here, we got the new relay case there on the other side of the crossing. And then just right over here, we got the two cantilevers have remained completely unchanged, thankfully. Which is quite nice because I do like them. They're a nice pair of cantilevers. So yeah, just a quick update here to the Lake Road crossing in Guntersville, Alabama. Over and out.